Hello again, thanks for joining. So it's actually been quite a while since I last did a Marklin model on this channel, but I've got this wagon pack to have a look at today. It's got 2 wagons in it and some containers. This is number 48945 in the Marklin catalogue, and it's very similar to a Trix model that I reviewed not that long ago. It had some containers on it as well. I thought that was a fantastic model. I suspect this is probably going to be almost identical, but let's get it open, we'll check it out. Well, in the box was this pack of little brackets which fit onto the bottom of the containers, and these clip onto the wagons. The fact that these are still sealed from the factory makes me think this has never actually been used, even though I got this model as a second-hand item, so that's a win for me. But let's check out the wagons in a bit more detail. So these 2-axle flat wagons, I actually think this is exactly the same as the Trix ones. It's going to have different wheels on it, obviously. This is going to be for 3-rail rather than 2. The wheels revolve really well, and it's a very good moulding. I love how the cantilever couplings and NEM pockets are hidden inside the chassis. It's a really nice detail, that one. You don't see it on the top or underneath. There's a lot of really nice detail on this as well, all the bracing underneath. I like the tops of it as well. The checker effect is really cool. What is really good is the finesse of these little handrails. They're so delicate as well. You could easily break off, but they're so finely moulded in, which is really quite cool. The railings at this end and the brake wheel as well look really good, and they're again very fine. And we've got these really nice little steps coming down too, which again are really quite thin. So there's a lot of opportunity to break stuff on this model. In the middle here we've got a little bit of red paint picking out the handle there, and there's printing on it as well as this board down here. It looks really good. It's got all the details on it and it's printed very clearly. And the axles and the brakes in line with the wheels all make this a really nicely refined little model. And we have 2 different running numbers as well, which is good. And now turning our attention to the load, these are actually really nicely detailed and they've got some great printing on them, and all these ones are numbered differently as well, which is great. It's all made of plastic. We've got a surround part here and 2 tanks which are pushed into it. It looks like just a clip fit underneath, and we have little ladders as well. Detail on these is absolutely fantastic. It's quite an interesting load as well to have these little cement silos, but I'm wondering how much one of these would weigh. Let's put these little containers onto it and put it on the scales and find out. So I've just placed the cement silos on top. I know they've got brackets which would increase the weight, but all in, this is 34 grams at the moment, so it's not really that heavy at all. So these little flat wagons with the load from Marklin, they're quite interesting little things to have, I think. And it's a clever way of Marklin producing the same wagon over and over, just with different printing on it, and then just swapping in the little containers on the top. It does make for an interesting looking thing though, and very different to a normal kind of just plain container that you can often see on flat wagons. What's also really good is that I think they've pulled off these little cement silos really well. They look fantastic. There's so much detail on those little tiny things, and the printing is great as well. And they didn't take any shortcuts because they've numbered them all differently too. So they're really nice little wagons, but they've got a lot of detail and they look something a bit special as well. I really like these kind of things, and I think these are as good as the Trix ones as well. I'm sure there's many other types of little containers that have been put onto these flat wagons. But what do you think about these? Do you like these little silo wagons? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts. I'll put one of them on the turntable so you can see all the way around, and in a moment another video will appear, so just click on that and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching this one with me. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.
So model trains, model worlds, choo choo, model trains, in tiny worlds, choo choo, model trains, model worlds, choo choo, model trains, in tiny worlds, choo choo.